One suit is the evolution of fashion. Literally, it's a replacement of bra and underwear. It's all in one. You can use it for pretty much everything. Work out, hang out with friends, go to work. It's the next big thing.
For our first collection, we have two innovative styles, the Any and the V3. The Any is our anywhere, anytime, everyday. The V3 is our formal, sexy bodysuit. The Any and the V3 are tailored for maximum sculpting, smoothing, and shaping. Both styles come in two colors, black and beige, and are fitted with and without snaps. The snaps are super slim. You will barely be able to feel them. Both styles are cut from a modern laser cutting technology, resulting in a smoother, cleaner finish garment that is seamless. Both styles have built-in undergarments, a cotton panty liner, and non-removable bra cups. Being green was very important to us, which is why we picked micromodal, as it is a green fabric. Due to its quick-drying character, it reduces energy costs. Keeping in line with our sustainable philosophy, one suit is unnecessary, tag and label free. We opted for a simple printed label on our one suit, and all our packaging is 100% biodegradable. One suit is our answer to every woman's need for that perfect garment that contains you. It is your perfect base layer for every single outfit you want to put together. That will instantly elevate your style, make you feel confident, and when you walk out that door, you know you feel and look amazing.
Panty is the world's first underwear brand made from upcycled t-shirts. Why?
It takes 2,700 litres of water to make just one cotton t-shirt. That's the amount you or I would normally drink in 2.5 years. When you consider that over 2 billion t-shirts are produced annually, the amount of water used is absolutely mind-blowing. As if that's not bad enough, overproduction in the fashion industry means that roughly 1/3 of clothes are never even sold. So 1/3 of all that water is completely wasted.
Our idea was simple. Why not take obsolete t-shirts and turn them into underwear? All panty bras are pull-on, underwire free, and made from double-lined cotton with a small amount of elastic for comfort and support.
From the placement of the straps to the joining of the elastics, every element has been designed to create a flattering fit, resulting in underwear you'll want to wear as outerwear. It was important for us to build a collection that has something for everyone, for those on-the-go days, cozy nights in, or girls' nights out. But none of this would be possible without our production partner Erdem and his team in Bangladesh. Finding someone to fit our criteria wasn't easy, but Erdem ticked all the boxes.
Introducing the Annual Brief, the 100% organic Pima cotton underwear and annual subscription from Kent, the independent, female-founded brand that's been receiving some love from Vogue, Elle, and Refinery 29. We use 100% certified organic Pima cotton. That's 100% free of pesticides, toxins, and petrochemicals. It's also naturally hypoallergenic, antibacterial, ultra-breathable, and amazingly silky soft. With our quick fit quiz, you'll find the style and size to fit you best. Whether you're sporting an A-shape, square, round, upside-down heart, or V-shape behind, we've got you and your bum covered. We've spent 3 years perfecting 3 styles to complement rather than compete with the natural female form. And because studies show we should replace our everyday underwear once a year to stay healthy, each annual brief is discreetly stamped with a unique DOB. Every year, we'll deliver your annual briefs right to your door and help cleanse your underwear drawer of mix-match G-strings, thongs, and bloomers into a tidy collection of briefs that spark joy and better your health. This is our guarantee you'll have the freshest, softest underwear year-round.
For most of our life, we wake up and we go to bed wearing underwear every day. Underwear is the clothes we wear most, and it's the clothes we wear closest to our body. It's clothes that follow us wherever we go. Yet, most underwear of today is not designed to adapt to our everyday. That's why we developed Silvertec. This collection of performance products is made of long fiber organic cotton mixed with pure silver due to its antibacterial capabilities. It's underwear that actively kills bacteria to fight odor and keep you fresh. It's underwear that regulates temperature to reduce sweat and keep you cool. It's what we believe is the future of underwear. Advanced technology now allows us to weave silver fibers directly into our fabric. These silver fibers are proven to eliminate 99.9% of the bacteria, and the effect will last the lifetime of the product. No bacteria means no unwanted body odors. With neck-taped seams and extra durable double stitching, our t-shirt design is optimized for comfort and performance. With stay-put straps, four-way stretch, and our antibacterial Silvertec fabric, our bra is designed with the active woman in mind. We've created the thong and hipster, focusing on fit and function, with super soft no-roll waistband and comfortable and durable flat lock stitching. On our ankle and mid-rise socks, we've added technical mesh zones to keep your feet cool, and flat toe linking for ultimate comfort. These socks will stay dry and odorless for days and even weeks. Silvertec is underwear for the active woman. For the ones with a packed schedule who don't want to miss out. For the ones who won't waste time changing clothes several times a day or doing laundry several times a week. All products are manufactured without the use of harsh chemicals or nanoparticles, and our suppliers are 100% eco-certified to meet the highest standards in sustainability.
There's underwear for everywhere, so you can get dressed without having to think. These bras and knickers stay dry and fend off bacteria, and if that's not for you, well, I guess your poop emoji doesn't stink. They're machine washable, but if you run out on the road, just wash, roll and squeeze, and within hours you're good to go. The magic is in the breathable fabric. It's made of recycled water bottles, silky smooth and strong as Kanye's self-esteem. They resist UV, fading, highly, and chlorine. Slay your day at the office, at the pool, at the gym, because you've got eco-friendly undies ready to help you carpe the F out of this GM. And these undies aren't just for travellers like it seems. Sommy's about simplifying your wardrobe so you can focus on achieving your wildest dreams. Whether that's making waves on vacation to blow off steam, managing to run 2 meetings with yoga in between, or manifesting a side hustle as a fabulous disability activist queen, Sommy will be with you as part of the team. We think that what you look like is less important than what you do. Sommy is about adapting to your every adventure, so you worry less about what to wear and you're free to just do you.
Introducing Flux, over 10 features in one pant. Have you ever wanted to just wear pants on your period? Flux gives you a leak-free period. It's moisture-wicking, super absorbent, and antimicrobial, keeping you fresh and dry. Ever wanted to change your underwear without getting completely undressed? Flux lets you change anywhere. Dreamed of wearing stylish underwear that's also comfortable and functional? We've used leading fabrics that are super soft with a 4-way stretch and just as thin as your regular underwear. We've also added a dual layer for that extra peace of mind. We've made waking up in the morning and checking for stain sheets a thing of the past. Flux has you covered day and night so you can spend more time doing what you love. You no longer have to rush to change your pad or tampon. Instead, you can relax, feeling comfortable and confident. We're calling it the future of underwear. Flux combines thin layers of moisture-wicking, antimicrobial, super absorbent, and leak-proof materials. Our unique lining holds up to 10 times its weight, absorbing moisture at rates 20 times faster than cotton, and absorbs 3 times more than a standard maxi pad. It also regulates temperature, keeping you cool in summer and warm in winter. They're washable and reusable, so you save money.